Music theory is a system of analysis with a vocabulary that allows us to explain what music is, its style, its inner workings, and its effects on people. Cognition and how people's minds work when they listen to a piece of music.
I know that's supposed to be a basic question, and yet I think it's an incredibly interesting question that doesn't really have a simple answer. Music theory has to do with my own personal study of the relationship between mathematics and music.
This is the medieval concept of study. You have the 7 liberal arts, and 4 of them are the quadrivium. Three of them on the trivium. And music has always existed on the math side. And one of the things that makes music so interesting is that it can actually exist on both sides, the rhetorical art forms and also on the math side.
Music was not a purely aesthetic enterprise. It was not just about creating beautiful sounds. Music was also about studying nature. Music was, in fact, studying numbers through the study of sound. Numbers are the fabric of the universe. Numbers are the things that are structuring everything in the world.
So much of music can be quantified as numbers. One frequency can be a simple ratio of another. The time in which that frequency sounds, the duration of notes, how we manipulate these parameters so that we create expressive music that humans can relate to. And therefore, any musical instrument is effectively a mathematical instrument as well.